Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Magai and ChatGPT. Magai and ChatGPT are both AI platforms, but they serve users in different ways. Magai is an AI platform that brings together different AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini in one place. It has a clean and simple design that makes it easy to use even if you're new to AI. You can organize your work with folders, save prompts, and even collaborate with teams. It also supports tasks like writing, research, coding help, and image generation. ChatGPT is an AI tool created by OpenAI that helps with writing, answering questions, and having natural conversations. It is easy to use and work well for tasks like drafting emails, creating content, or explaining ideas in simple terms. Many people like it because it saves time and gives quick, clear answer. It also keeps improving with updates, making it smarter and more reliable. Overall, ChatGPT is better than Magai for simplicity and reliability, while Magai is better for variety and multi-modal features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.